Hey, what's up? My name is Stijn. Welcome to Todo. Last time I was in Mexico, I bought this molcajete, and now I'm going to show you how to prepare the molcajete before you're going to use it for the first time. A molcajete, it's like a mortar and pestle. This is made from volcanic basalt, and it's very porous. So that's why you need to make sure that you cure it before you use it for the first time, and I'm going to show you how. First of all, you start with washing it out with a hard brush. So the first thing you do is you grab a hard brush and give it a good scrub. What this is going to do, it's going to make sure that all the loose particles of stone are going to be removed. Rinse it out and pat it dry. So for the next part, the best thing you would do to protect your counter is to grab a towel. Grab a towel, just put it underneath so it doesn't scratch the surface. The next thing you're going to need is some good old rice. What you're going to do is you're going to add some rice to the molcajete. It's not that much. Grab your tejolote and start grinding. Don't forget to come up all the way on the sides of the molcajete, but start with just the bottom. I mean, it does take a bit of work to get this done. It's work that needs to be done, so you're gonna have the most amazing salsas for the rest of your life. Because this, in Mexico, is passed on from generation to generation to generation. So make sure you do this the right way. When all of the rice is ground to a powder, just toss it out, rinse it out, and start over. Only this time, just leave the tiniest bit of water at the bottom before you put the rice in again. That's going to turn the rice into a paste, and that's really going to take all the impurities that are still left out, and then our molcajete should be seasoned. And again, make sure you go up all the way on the side of the molcajete, so you don't leave any impurities on that side either. See all these little gray specks that you can see in this kind of dough? That is all impurities that we're taking out, because you do not want that in your food, in your salsas. Again, this paste, we don't need it, so we're gonna rinse it out. When it comes to cleaning your molcajete after use, this brush is going to be your best friend. All you need to do is to run it under water, brush it out, and dry it out. That's all you need to do, nothing else. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to quickly pat it dry. And we're going to add some salt. Take a good pinch of salt. And then 3 cloves of garlic. Take off the skin, you don't want that. And that's how we're going to give the first layer of flavor to our molcajete, almost like you would season a cast iron pan. We take our tejolote. Right now, I still have to check which side it was that I took up and down, but after repeated use, it's definitely going to be obvious that this side is going to be the one that you smash everything with. I've put the garlic in, I've put the salt in, and now I'm just gonna start molcajete andar. Yes, in Spanish there's a verb for what we're doing here. Molcajetear. Okay, now that this is done, we're gonna rinse it out one last time. And now your molcajete is ready for years and years of authentic Mexican flavors for all your salsas. Find more recipes on contodo.be, and I'm looking forward to see you next time. Take care. Bye.